pretty good.
Do we need to order takeout?
Hello, my strong friends. Coming at you live from the one and only Trader Joe's. Today we're gonna try to eat as many pumpkin flavored things or things that have pumpkin in it. Usually the problem with that is that you get a lot of things that are not really great for you, like the pumpkin spice latte, or they're too sweet. So today, I'm gonna try to give you ideas on options that might be a little more goal aligned if you're someone who is health conscious, because I avoid embracing the fall and the pumpkin spice latte because it's just too high calorie of a drink for me to really enjoy the taste of, and also, you know, not feel like, ugh, why'd I just waste like 400 calories on this? Okay, so let's go into Trader Joe's and see what we can find. All right, here is my Trader Joe's haul. I got a few things for a couple of pumpkin-based recipes that I'm going to attempt to make, but I couldn't resist grabbing some of the like pumpkin flavored things. Okay, so I actually want to try one of these because I'm starving right now. So let's put the camera on a pumpkin. I guess that'll do. Trader Joe's pumpkin bar. This pumpkin walks into a bar, cereal bars. Okay, let's see what we think. Ryan, do you want one? What do you get when you cross up pumpkins with a cereal bar? There's gonna be a punchline. A delicious anytime treat. And it goes on and on. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nice. Pretty good. These are pretty good. I can't say they're the best thing. Based on the macros, I'd honestly rather have a Pop-Tart. And I realize there are pumpkin Pop-Tarts, but I didn't want to go too crazy. Not bad. Not bad at all. The next thing I'm pretty curious about are these pumpkin tortilla chips. We'll see if they're any good. Basically, it's pumpkin tortilla chips. I can't tell if, since they're cinnamon and nutmeg, if they're gonna be sweet or what, but looks like pretty normal, maybe a little bit more orangey of a tortilla chip. Will it be sweet? No. They're not very pumpkin-y at all. Just like a slight hint. So if you don't really like pumpkin but need to get in the spirit, this might be a good one. I could have sworn I got the freaking pumpkin harvest salsa or something, but I did not. At least I'm not seeing it right now. Bummer, but these are really good. Last year was the first time I ever got one of these. This is a cinnamon broom. Okay, you don't use it to clean your house. I don't think I ever knew what they were until freaking someone had to explain to me. They smell like cinnamon and it smells so good and they're pretty powerful. It'll last you a couple of weeks. These were like, I think under $4, maybe $3.99 at my Trader Joe's in Texas. And they kind of look, you know, kind of cute, kind of rustic. I got a few coffee related things because obviously it's morning and I have a coffee habit. So I got the Starbucks pumpkin spice latte creamer. I also got one of the La Colombe lattes. These are amazing. Oddly enough, one of my favorite products that they have in this same kind of can from La Colombe is espresso with a hint of grapefruit. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's delicious. So I might take this, but I also grabbed a Stoke cold brew coffee pumpkin. So maybe later in the day I can try all of them and compare, but I'm in a rush. I am going to have this. Let's see how she tastes. The macros are not terrible if you're looking for a tasty but convenient kind of thing. There are 11 grams of sugar, but 5 grams of protein, which must be from the milk. So we'll see. Yeah. It's okay. You know, I'm gonna leave it there and see what Ryan thinks later. I have decided, since I'm not completely in love with this, to try the cold brew coffee. Okay, this is where you need to be really careful. I saw cold brew coffee, so I thought, okay, it probably just has a hint of pumpkin flavoring, so it's probably, you know, not very calorie dense. I was so wrong. There's 24 grams of carbs per serving. I mean, a serving is 12 fluid ounces, which I most definitely won't have right now, but let's at least see how she tastes. Okay, cheers, my friends. Better than the other one if you're gonna choose between the two. I got both of these at, well, I got the La Colombe at Trader Joe's. You can usually find those at Trader Joe's. Hopefully you find the grapefruit one that I was talking about. And then the Stoke coffee is just from like my local grocery store. Tom Thumb is where I get grocery, I guess. I also do not appreciate, hold on. They make fun of white girls so much on this. It is very sarcastic branding. OMG, PS, LOL. Literally can't even. Okay, not that I'm offended, but I just think it's kind of funny, kind of cute. I would definitely choose this. Okay, in the front of my house, I have these beautiful bushes. Okay, they look so great. And then I have like 4 dead ones. So today I'm gonna go bush shopping. So I think I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's one on the other side, 6. Do I replace all of these? Maybe I'll just get 6 to start and see what we think. Anyway, let's go to the plant store, my favorite place. Oh my God, the garden place looks so cute because there's so many freaking pumpkins. I didn't know they had pumpkins here. Okay, very exciting. I'm starting to mark my plants for the gardener. I'm getting this beauty as a ground covering and this one, yay. I also got some color for like with a purple one. I guess I might as well show you what this one's called. This is a Mojo Pittosporum. Look at that, but super cute. Most of the bushes that I'm getting are these Buford hollies. So I'm getting 2 tall ones and then 4 of the small ones. I really want to get this one. It's so pretty. I mean, obviously someone has bought all of these, but it's so pretty, but the front of my house doesn't get full sun, and these are full sun, but oh my God, those are so nice. I had to go to Ace Hardware to get some pots to repot a few plants that I have, and I couldn't resist. The mums were $9.99. So we'll see if I can make something cute with the mums. And then this, okay, don't know what this is called. I have yet to eat anything today. It's about 11. So I'm gonna have this Quest chocolate caramel pecan. I realize it's not pumpkin, but I feel like it's kind of fall inspired. What do you think? The only thing about this, I think it's like the rice. Yeah, you can see like the rice cake kind of texture. These are 28 grams of carbs and only 16 grams of protein as compared to other Quest bars. So it's a little bit more balanced, not as high protein, but I'll let you know if it tastes good. Okay, everyone, this was absolutely amazing. Go find it. I found it at Trader Joe's. I realized the macros aren't amazing, but if you are someone who needs like a little snack and is conscious of protein and carbs, I mean, I feel like this is probably the best tasting option that you can get for that amount of protein. Ryan, what'd you think?
Tastes like a candy bar.
It does taste like a candy bar. So good. All right, exciting day. Okay, indoor plants. I've repotted my pothos, my string of pearls. She's really struggling, but hopefully the repot, I was using the wrong soil, okay? Don't judge me. And my peace lily, these are magnolias. And then I had some sweet potato vine that I also put in this pot along with the plants that I have in my flower boxes. So these have survived all summer. They look much better now that they're getting more rain lately. And also my azalea bushes have completely bloomed, so those look great. I also have my chrysanthemums that will go in front, and I am done gardening for the day. I won't lie, these look kind of sad, but we'll see if they don't spring up after a minute. And now I will enjoy the pool like the goddess I am. Okay, I have red hair, like red dyed hair, so I cannot afford to let it get bleached by the sun. It will just fade so much quickly in the sun. So this is what I look like in my bikini. It's really cute. I'm about to have lunch. It is 2:30. Okay. This is chili. It's very similar to the chili that I usually make, but it does have pumpkin puree and sweet potatoes in it. So I'm gonna have a bowl of this. I made it last night. I'll show you like the process of making it. And also I'm gonna have a little snack. Okay, we might be going pumpkin overload, but I'm gonna have this pumpkin bread from Trader Joe's. There's cinnamon, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds on the outside of it. And and pumpkin butter, which I'm excited to try. And then I'll go nuts and top it with these pumpkin seeds. I topped my chili last night with these and it is amazing. All of these were bought from Trader Joe's and we'll see what we think. I totally forgot to bring my camera to the gym, but I swear I worked out. We're here for the food, right? Anyway, after my workout, like usual, I didn't pack a regular protein shake, so I brought Core Power, or I have it at the gym. This is awesome because it's 42 grams of Core Power, but the problem is it is not pumpkin flavored Core Power. So with this, I'm going to have and try the Trader Joe's Pumpkin O's. I mean, I can't expect that they're too amazing, but a lot of people suggested that I try these. I'm just imagining Cheerios with a hint of pumpkin, right? So let's see what they taste like. They are pretty flavorful. I'm not sure I love them. Look at the macros, I'm guessing mostly carbs. Yep.
Not doing it for you? Better or worse than the PSL creamer that you added to your coffee this morning?
That was pretty bad.
That didn't make it into the video, did it?
Oh, Ryan made me a second coffee when I got back from the plant store today. And I tried the pumpkin spice latte creamer. It was terrible. So the winner between all the coffees is this one, Stoke Cold Brew. I think so far the best thing that I've had, aside from the chili is amazing, but it doesn't taste like too pumpkin-y. So maybe that's why I like it. The best thing for sure was the pumpkin butter plus the pumpkin bread, and then the seeds. Those are so good. I mean, they're pumpkin seeds with like cinnamon.
We got a few more meals to go though.
Yeah. All right, we've got bacon, Brussels sprouts, and onions, and then I'm mashing the potatoes here for the shepherd's pie. How exciting. The pumpkin goes in with the potatoes, some butter, and I'm about to put some cream in there. Okay, here's the mixture. Brussels sprouts, onions, ground beef, bacon, cranberry sauce, some flour to thicken it up, and some chicken broth. So now we put the mixture. This is mashed potatoes plus the pumpkin puree, a little bit of cream and butter. This might not be the most healthy recipe, by the way. But now I just put this on top. Let's see what it looks like. She's going in. She's in for 40 minutes total. I'm about halfway there. I'll leave this recipe down below if you guys want to check it out.
First bite, first taste.
I'll get some potato and some filling. It's pretty good.
Do we need to order takeout?
I think I don't like the seasoning thyme. I just don't like it. You try it, babe. Okay, it's not bad. I think I'm liking it more as I eat it. Will I make it again? Ryan, should I make it again?
Was it hard to make?
There are things we like more that take just as much time.
Yeah.
So,
Like that little eggplant thing.
yeah. Well, that thing is full of cheese, so that's why we like it. But hey, it's pumpkin season, baby. Gotta give it a chance. I'm finished eating for the night, but I haven't ate enough pumpkin-y things, so I'm going to turn this into a 3-day attempt at eating as many pumpkin-y things as I can. Bear with me. Hopefully it's still enjoyable. I will see you tomorrow. Cheese. Hello, good morning. We're at the gym. I'm going to try some pecan pumpkin instant oatmeal. Let's see if this is better than the Trader Joe's Pumpkin O's. This is also from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna have it before I work out. We will see. I'm just gonna try one. I never make oatmeal, so God knows how milky it's supposed to be. I feel like I can do more there. Okay, for oatmeal, it looks pretty good. There's little pecan chunks in it. Let's see if she, oh my God, it's fogging up the lens. Not bad. If you eat breakfast, I'd choose the pecan pumpkin instant oatmeal over the Trader Joe's. This tastes much better, in my opinion. Ryan has made us pumpkin ravioli from Trader Joe's, a mixture of ground beef and pumpkin bisque. It's good.
It looks like you know what.
I didn't grow up with any sisters or very many friends, so like the whole fall theme, getting excited about fall and pumpkin spice, just I don't think was meant for me. I didn't really embrace like my white girl culture when I was younger, so it just set me up to be doomed. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. My pumpkin adventure. Overall, I discovered that it's unnecessary to add pumpkin to everything, which I think we already knew. But at least I tried some new recipes. The pumpkin chili was interesting. I think that was probably the best recipe that I made in my journey. A lot of the Trader Joe's pumpkin flavored things were amazing and are amazing. So yeah, hopefully it gives you some idea on what to shop to when you're at Trader Joe's. Hopefully you guys have a great time. If you liked this video, I know it was a little random and weird, do give the video a like so that I know to make more similar to it. I've been thinking I want to do a video where I eat nothing but food from Buc-ee's. If you're from Texas, then you know what Buc-ee's is. I have not been to one yet, but I want to try that because I feel like it would be pretty funny and an adventure. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.